Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2012 RG Colorado LTZ dual cab 2.8 turbo diesel manual four-wheel drive with a little tap on the nose. Give it a quick walk around. We've got a tow bar there, a few marks here and there, cloth trim inside. 143,000 k's. We'll jump in there and start it up. I'll get the bonnet up for you. We'll go back and get a compliance plate here. There we go. There's one. Get the bonnet up. Get the main joint. There's another plate. Read that one. Start him up. There we are, 143,294 kilometres, and we're away. There it is. One Colorado for dismantling. Okay, so if you need any Colorado parts or any other car parts for that matter, give the guys at Parts Plus a call on 02 4646 1733. Get it right the second time, and they'll be only too pleased to help you out. We'll shut this one down now. Once again, thanks for watching, and bye for now.